more passionate to the helping people, not just the customers. It's helping people in the company on every level. The first I heard about the CEO Warrior approximately 3.5 years ago. At that time, we've been part of the different training organization, but since then, I was following Mike on YouTube videos, Facebook. Most of the challenges I had, lack of experience, lack of knowledge, how to help my company to grow. The first impression was when you guys welcome us. It was amazing. It's like a family experience. The first day was a turning point for me, not just personally, but I think it's a turning point for the company because I see a huge opportunity and I regret that I was waiting for 3 years. One of the first things we implement on Monday when we come back, how we treat the people, our customers, our employee. So anyone that's on the fence right now, it's undecisive. Don't waste the time. Just come over here and feel this experience. Feel this experience because it's gonna fill you up. It's gonna change not only you as a person, it's gonna change the company, it's gonna change your family, it's gonna help you to go to community and see and do everything with a different eyes and with different passion.